congrats to you. Hope you rise in the ladder. Yeah. Yeah, she's on Margot blockbuster. Thank you so much.
To welcome Madam Delilah, because we are all very, very happy that at least one lady from Congress party has won the election, and we are very, very proud of her, and we look forward that she will take up all the issues of women, whichever that come, and she will be always our guiding force.
Today's Felicity and our representative of women's representative from Congress in the Legislative Assembly. Then all the office bearers, state office bearers, block office bearers, presidents, and all the Mahilas from Mahila Congress, and the media friends, and my good friend Tara here. आमकां चड आज खुशी की आमच्यातली एक महिला काँग्रेस सगळ्या महिलांक रिप्रेझेंट करता. एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी शिवोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतल्यान फॉर द फर्स्ट टायम एक बायल मनीस निवडून गेल्या गोंयच्या असेंब्लीन. थंय इतले प्रश्न आनी तिजे जेन्ना कॅम्पेन आनी हांव पयलीं इन्चार्ज आशिल्लें शिवोली, ताका लागून शिवोली ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट आमचे हांगा आसा. तिजे बरोबर जेन्ना आमी शिवोले भोंवताली तेन्ना लोकांचे कितले तरी प्रश्न फुडें येताले, आनी म्हाका चड खुशी जाली की जेन्ना दिलायलान आपले कॅन्डिडेचर फायल केले शिवोलेंतल्यान, तेन्ना की एक बायल मनीस फुडें सरली आनी तिका लोकांचो इतको म्हणजे उत्स्फूर्त प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो, आनी ज्या तरेन तिची कॅम्पेन चलताली आमकां सामकें म्हणजे 100%. तशें आमी 100% शुअर खुबश्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी आशिल्ली, पूण लोकांनी आमच्या 100%चेर आमकां मातशी देंवयली. सो पूण ही एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी अशी की हांगा जशें दिसतालें चित्र तशेंच शेवटी रिजल्टाकूय बी तेंच चित्र आमकां दिसलें. म्हाका खात्री आसा की आमच्यो महिलांच्यो ज्यो पळय अपेक्षा आसता आमच्या रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह कडल्यान त्यो सगळे दिलायला आमकां हेल्प करतली. आख्खे महिला काँग्रेसीक तिजी ती पावली म्हणून सगळ्यांकूच इतको एक्साइटमेंट आसा. आनी म्हाका एज ऑन पीसीसी ऑल्सो आय थिंक that you will be a great asset to the Congress party, and we look forward to your involvement. आणि तुझो आमकां सगळे पर्यंत म्हणजे एक फोर्स कसो महिला शक्ती कशी काँग्रेस पार्टी फाटल्यान तू रावतली, आणि यू विल ऑल्सो रायज इन दिस पार्टी. दिस पार्टी ही महिलांची पार्टी. इट हॅज ऑलवेज 33% रिझर्वेशन बी महिलां खातीर हे सगळे काँग्रेसीन दिल्ले आसा. काँग्रेस पार्टीची आयडियोलॉजी प्रमाणे ऑलवेज वी थिंक अबाउट विमेन आणि बाकीचे जे कमजोर समाजाचे घटक आसा तांचे आमी पयलीं योजिता. अँड आय एम शुअर की तुका हांगा खूब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटली काँग्रेस पार्टीन, की यू ऑल्सो इन युअर पॉलिटिकल कॅरियर you will reach greater heights. We are looking just now, Tara and we were talking, we are looking at a women chief minister for Goa. आमचे एक एस्पिरेशन आसा आमकां की एक बायल मनीस हांगाची गोंयची केन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टर जातली. आमी दिलायलाक पळयता तेन्ना आमकां दिसलें की तिजी जी धडाडी आसा, तिजी जी एनर्जी आसा, आनी आमचे सगळे गोंयकाराचे आज गोंयान सगळी कडेन लोक आमकां विचारतात कितें जालें तुमचें. 3 दीस पयलीं पासून गोंय तुमी निवडून येतलेच म्हणटाले, काँग्रेस पार्टी सत्तेर येतलीच म्हणटाली. मिडियानूय बी आमकां सामकें अशें इतलें उखलून धरलें की आमकां दिसलें की शुअर काँग्रेस येता म्हणून. आमी तयारी सुद्दां केल्ली स्वेरिंग इनची. सो ताका लागून आमकां आतां अशें आमकां दिसता की फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक अशेंच तुमी सगळे आमच्या बरोबर रावली जाल्यार दिलायलाक थंय चीफ मिनिस्टर जावपाक कसलीच हरकत ना. सो आय विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द व्हेरी बेस्ट.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरी सांज आवडेता. आमचे मदे हा बाय बीना नायक, स्टेट वुमन, द महिला president by Dr. Pramod and all the dignitaries on the days, my dear women force and press. First of all, I would like to thank all the Mahila of Congress for felicitating me here today. And as asked by Madam Beena, see, you get result only after hard work, hard work. I had started my work in Shioli constituency a year ahead. एक वर्स पयले आमी थंयसर काम केल्ले, काम चालू केले, ऑफिस ओपन केले, ऑफिसान बसून at least every alternate days थंयसर आमी ऑफिसान येतालीं, लोकांची समस्या आयकतालीं. थंयसर आमी खुबशे बॅडमिंटन ग्राउंड बांदून दिले आमचे युथा खातीर. फुटबॉल ग्राउंड एक आतां चालू केल्लो बांदपाक. वी हॅव मागीर आमचे ओहिश क्रिकेट पीच. देन आमच्या युथाक कनेक्ट कशें रावपाचें ते केले. भोव करून महिला मंडल, जितले गांवांनी आमची महिला मंडल आसली तांकां आमी कॉन्टेक्ट केले आनी तांकां हे आमी कोर्स दिले, लायक ट्रेनिंग कोर्सीस इन केक मेकिंग, चॉकलेट मेकिंग, आनी कितले कोर्स आहा तितले महिलां कडेन पयलो संबंध आसलो. आनी हांवें कॅम्पेन म्हाजी डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेन द व्हेरी नेक्स्ट डे ऑफ क्रिसमस, 25th क्रिसमस आसलो, 26th आमी डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेनिंग चालू केलें. आनी तेन्ना म्हाज्या वांगडा मेजॉरिटी महिला आसल्यो. द वन्स हू आर माय फोर्स वर द ladies, the Mahilas from Shioli constituency, of course my block president, by Parvati, by Archana, by Harsha. Day and night they were roaming with me. And the very third day, आमी वेल्ला काणका साकून आमी आमचे डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेनिंग चालू केल्ले. The very third day, after looking at the ladies behind me, we had around 500 ladies walking with me. Third day I told my friend at the side of me, how Shioli constituency jikle म्हणून. Very third day. That much I was sure, because I know I've been in this politics, social service 15 वर्सां पयले. आमी 15 वर्सां पंचायतीन वॉर्ड मेंबर आनी तितून 10 वर्सां सरपंच म्हणून काम केलां. आनी म्हाज्या घोवाक मायकल लोबोक अहेच आमी वर्सां आफ्टर एवरी इलेक्शन्स वी सी दॅट द महिला फोर्स इज विथ अस. आमी तांकां एवरी टायम MP इलेक्शन हा, जिल्हा इलेक्शन हा, मागीर पंचायत इलेक्शन हा, MLA इलेक्शन हा, आमी हितून घडलेली हा. एंड यू नो, यू कम टू नो द पॉझिटिव्ह वायब once you know your mahilas are with you. So I take this opportunity first of all to thank all my mahilas from Shioli constituency and all my voters for getting me elected. आणि आमच्या काँग्रेस साचे वडील मॅडम सोनिया गांधी, सर राहुल गांधी, बाबा दिनेश गुंडूराव, बाबा गिरीश चोडंकर, बाबा दिगंबर कामत, all the ladies present here and everyone for having faith in me. आमकां ही टिकेट तुम्ही फावो केली आणि शिओली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन काँग्रेस म्हणटा तो केन्नाच जिखोंक ना. काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट केन्नाच जिखोंक ना. आमी जेन्ना जॉयन जाल्यार म्हाका बरा होच प्रेस आसले त्या दिसा सांगलेले आमी हांगा इतिहास घडूंक येयल्यात म्हणून. सो काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेटूय जिखोन येयलो आनी महिला केन्ना जिखोंक ना ती महिलाय जिखोन येयले सगळे तुमच्या आदारान. And there is no substitute for hard work. And hard work cannot be last minute. That also. तुम्ही तिकेट ते 15 दीस पयले नाल्यार 1 म्हयनो पयले दितले आनी ते 1 म्हयन्यान कांयच जायना. It is 1 year ahead. It's 1 year ahead. Because this is my journey. I'm telling you, it's 1 year ahead. And 1 year ahead with hard work. You have लोकांचो विश्वास तुम्ही कहो जिखूंक शकता 1 म्हयन्यान कांयच जायना. आनी you must remember आता ह्या फावटी last time it was AAP who had entered the Goan politics आणि काँग्रेसाक तितून तेन्ना 17 सिटां. आता येयले आप आणि कोणते आमचे TMC and RG which further divided our secular votes. That's how what seats did not come. We miscalculated. आणि सांगता आणि 5 वर्सांनी आणि 2-3 पार्ट्यो येतल्यो. You don't think it's going to be easy ride for anybody. आम्ही MLA इलेक्शन हजारांनी वोटांनी जिखताले आता 76 वोटांनी जिखतात. हे पंचायत इलेक्शन जाला. It's come that close and it's come that tough. So you either perform or perish. This is the mantra. You don't perform, people send you back. I cannot say, तो RG येयलो, आम आदमी येयली, TMC येयली आणि मत फुटले. ना, माझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन 13 कॅन्डिडेट्स हायेस्ट इन गोवा. गोंया हायेस्ट कॅन्डिडेट आसले ते शिवोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. तोरूय आमी जिखोन येयली. कितें? इट्स द हार्ड वर्क. I cannot say split in votes. RGन इतले वोट हारले, TMCन हारले आणि कोणे हारले. आणि खूप खावपाचे येवपाचे हा. In the years to come, next election, mark my words, there are more parties which are going to come and divide our secular votes. So you have to perform, you have to secure the faith of your people and start working early, which will give you good result. So once again, thank you all for felicitating me. Again, I say hard work and early start, which will bring us all result. Otherwise, ती टिकेट मेवतली आणि मागीर काम करतले कांयच ना. टिकेट 1 म्हयनो पासून पयलो कांयच काम जायना बाबा. 1 म्हयन्यान कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन भोंवन जायना. म्हाका म्हाज्या शिवोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन 1 म्हयनो सारको लागलो भोंवपाकूच डोर टू डोर. It doesn't help. So it has to ticket also has to go at least 3 months in advance so that person prepares. And as an independent, as an individual, you have to start 1 year in advance. And maybe now that the competition is so close, people are winning by 76 votes, 77 votes, you have to start 2-3 years in advance. So I wish all my ladies here, aspirants, all the very best. You want to win anything, panchayat election, anything, there is no substitute to hard work and start early. God bless you all.
If press wants to ask anything to Madam, they are free to ask.
I have answered all their questions.
Madam, will you be given a chance as President of Goa?
Yeah, she is carrying on the work so beautifully.
The party, PCC. Why not?
I think, see, we are MLAs. We have enough work on hand to do the work. We have to deliver. Presidentship should be given to a person who is relatively free to do work of full Goa. Akke Goya teje hatin astele. And now is a time we cannot wait 2024 elections. It has to start now. You cannot wait for 24 to come. ते काम चालू करतले कोणाक म्हळ्यार कोण हे माझे पर्सनल कोण MLA ना कोणाक मीन्स हू इज रिलेटिवली free to do all these works. He has to go every village, every constituency, get that Congress poll together to win those 2 seats, North Goa and South Goa. It has to start now. And a person who is relatively free to do that. Because I would welcome, but I have work to do in my constituency. It is not part-time job. It is full-time job. It's a full-time job. So it has to go to a person, in my opinion, who is free, who can dedicate their 24/7 time for this job, and that's it.
Madam, are you disappointed that Congress has failed to appoint the leader of opposition till now? What is your say on this?
Not disappointed. By tomorrow, the result should come.
Ma'am, you said the ticket should be given 1 year before, but Congress has the strategy to give the ticket at the last moment.
See, we are here now. We will see to it with all the ladies. Lady power will see to it. Forget 1 year before, at least 3 months before. It has to. It has to. Otherwise, you cannot. And it's become so tough. You want to win. You have to roam house to house with that Congress symbol and say, I am the candidate. At least minimum 3 months. And as an individual, you have to start 1 year ahead. Minimum. As an individual. And then you get that party ticket. Party does the survey and says, she's going to be the winning. It's a survey done by every party way ahead. So महिने पहिले सगळे पार्टियो सर्वे करतात. Baba, where does she stand? Where does he stand? And then you get the ticket. Once they know you have so much of following. But at least minimum 3 months ahead, if these tickets were given, I believe, we would have got much more in our kitty. And wouldn't be in opposition today. We miscalculated. We didn't know in South, like, even our candidates fell short of few votes. That's it. It's regret and banging our heads.
How do you look at panchayat elections now approaching next month?
Pardon?
Panchayat elections.
Panchayat elections.
Yeah, in my constituency, I think.
As a Congress.
Yeah, I think we should put our heads and see that we put Congress panel. Congressaक कोण support करताले तेंका घालून ते see the work starts from there. In Shioli constituency, one of the major factor for my win also was I had the majority of ward members, sarpanches with me. That helped me. So once you have this grassroots level people working for you, that helps a lot. So आतांच ध्यान मन घालून आमचे मनीस काँग्रेसाचे महिला तो हे आमचे दादले पॅनलाचेर घालून ते निवडून हाडूंक जाय. दॅट हेल्प्स यू इन MLA इलेक्शन. दॅट हेल्प मी. कित्याक मेजॉरिटी 5 गांव सरपंच आनी इतले वॉर्ड मेंबर म्हाजे वांगडा आसले म्हणून इट मेड माय वर्क अ लॉट सिंपल. कित्याक ते आपुणूय काम करतात. दॅट गुडविल पासेस ऑन टू द MLA.
Do you think that these elections there was actually a confusion? That's why a lot of votes went astray?
Not confusion as such. People, I think, didn't realize. See, माझ्या इलेक्शनाक हांवें म्हाज्या चेड्याक UK साकून हांगा गोंया हाडलो आनी घरांनी शिवोलींत धाडलो सांगपाक बाबा तुमकां BJP नाका जाल्यार इट इज ओन्ली काँग्रेस. तुमी ते TMCक RGक ना जाल्यार कोण ते आहा ते इंडिपेंडंटांक मारतेले जाल्यार तांकां आनी मारीत नाका. तुमी BJPकूच मारात. This is what my son, I brought him all the way from UK because that time we didn't have time also, so much of campaigning and restricted time. Garani, especially youth-akode dadle teka hai. Youth, they don't realize. They are on social media all the time and they sometimes don't even listen to their parents. They have their own mindset. I am Maja Chada Garani, especially to tell the youth, see Baba, if you don't want BJP, it is only Congress because the others will all divide our secular votes and here BJP will win. That maths, that calculation had to be told to individuals. Individual, एकट्याक सांगपाची गरज आसली. सांगिना जाल्यार कोना आणि आता सगळे म्हणटा बीजेपी कशें येयल्या, बीजेपी अशेंच करून येयल्यात. इट इज द डिवायड अँड रूल पॉलिसी ऑफ द ब्रिटीश which is being continued now. It's the fact. In the coming years, again I'm telling you, more parties will come to divide our votes. It is the same. So I had to go. I can see when I am campaigning as a candidate, I cannot tell each one. So my son did half of my job. He went. I told where I knew this person was not for Congress, but he was inclining towards RG or TMC or Aam Aadmi. I went. We made a list. Sent my son there, and he being youth. तो बसलो उलयलो बाबा पळय तुमकां बीजेपी नाका जाल्यार काँग्रेसाकूच तुम्ही हेका तेंका मारतले हे वोट फुटत वयतले आणि थंयसर बीजेपी येतली नाल्यार बीजेपीकूच मारात तुम्ही तेकाच मारात.
So a lot of them were disillusioned with Congress.
Of course, it is 33% BJP and 67% the other way around. And this 33% is now ruling us. And everyone is looking at this tamasha. And we have to slog it out for the next 5 years. I hope Goans realize this. I hope Goans realize this before it is too late. Check the prices of everything rising. 8 days, consecutive days, something. Yeah. The price of petrol and diesel, 60 पैसे, 80 पैसे, कोरून ते 8 रुपयाचेर कितें पावला. तुझे सिलिंडर 3 सिलिंडर कितें फ्री दिता म्हूण सांगता तेच 50 रुपयान वाडयला आनी रावात वाडयत रावतले आनी ते वाडयल्ल्याच पयशांनी तुमकां काडून ते फ्री दितले. सी इट्स ऑल गोलमाल हे. It's all they take from one pocket and put it in your neck. This is not fair at all to our ladies and to our Goans who are working day and night to make their ends meet. दिसरात ते म्हयन्याचो 22 तारीख 23 तारीख येता म्हणल्यार सगळी ती बिलां पळोवन लायटीची बिलां उदकाची बिलां तेन्ना चालू जाता. तेन्ना म्हणल्यार ते गोवान ते कितले 8,000 10,000 म्हयन्याक दिल्ले तोय बजट काबार. कोहे म्हणून फारीक करपाची ती बिलां, कोहे म्हणून ते दादल्यांक ते पेट्रोल घालपाचें डिझल घालपाचें गाडयेन. This is the अच्छे दिन. This is the अच्छे दिन where as soon as the elections are over, the prices are rising. Why were they not rising before the elections? Why were they not rising before the elections? Elections सोपले, अच्छे दिन पोयात सगळे. So the main thing is this had to be told to सगळ्यांक सांगूंक जाय आसलें बाबा तुमकां बीजेपी नाका जाल्यार काँग्रेस इज द ओन्ली सोल्युशन. तुम्ही त्या टीएमसीक मारतले आप मारतले आरजीक मारतले आनी कोण हा तितले इंडिपेंडंट मारतले जाल्यार थंयसर बीजेपीच जिखोन येतले म्हणून हे सांगपाची गरज आसली. सारखे घराघरांनी वचोन आणि हो टाइम टेबल आता पूण दाखोवपाक पडटलो. आमच्या महिलांनी घराघरांनी वचून तो दाखोवपाक पडटलो. बाबा ही बीजेपी कशी येयली ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन पळय कशे आमचे मतां फुटली आणि बीजेपी येयली. हे दिस टास्क विल हॅव टू बी टेकन बाय आर लेडीज. आमचे ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट आणि युथ प्रेसिडेंटान वांगडा बसून सद्दां सांजचे बसून हे सांगपाची गरज आहा. आनी बो करून सगळ्यांक मेसेज पावूंक जाय ती. हाफ द पीपल नो बट दिस अदर हाफ हू हॅव स्टील नॉट रियलाइज हाऊ दिस बीजेपी हॅज कम इन टू पॉवर. 33% are ruling the 67% of people. These maths have to be told. Maths have to be told. Only then Congress will get the expected seats the next time. We have to start it now. We cannot wait that last minute we'll go and start. No. आत्ता चालू करूंक जाय बाबा. हे गणित सांगूंक जाय. मॅथ्स गणित हे पळय बीजेपी कितले वोट पडले आणि हे ऍड करून दाखोवंक जाय. 4 पार्टीचे ऍड केल्या पुरो. काँग्रेस आम आदमी टीएमसी आणि आरजी हे 4च पार्टीचे ऍड करून आणि तेजे दाखय पळय म्हूण सांगात हे कोहे वोट फुटल्यात आणि हे जालें तो कहो जिखला तो. हेच सांगपाची. इतलेच सांगल्यार तेंचे तकलेन येतले. आमचे गोंयकार आर स्मार्ट पीपल बट दीस मॅथ्स हॅव टू बी एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल. आणि हे काम आमचे महिलांचे आणि युथ काँग्रेस.
Madam, for last 3 months, 3 to 4 months, Nadi Lakshmi and Gra Aadhar is not getting, the people are not getting.
That the people have to ask the BJP government, no? आम्ही किती रे बाबा? Of course, that question will be raised. That question will be raised. That is another question which they have to ask the present BJP government. Why it is stopped? 5 महिने झाले गृह आधार येऊन. ते विचारपाची गरज असा आमच्या.
Madam, do you think that Goa is ready for a woman prime minister and Goans will vote for women as for chief minister?
Goans are ready for a woman, for a man who can deliver.
Yes.
It doesn't matter now anymore how surely constituency Bail Munis Jukon Elak. That's not, there is no difference between man or woman. It is performance. If you perform, you flourish. You don't perform आणि दादलो मनीस म्हणटलो बायल म्हणजे the way a man can perform, even a woman can perform. That has been shown in the history. Yeah?
Madam, there's one more thing. Being in the opposition doesn't make us less important.
Of course, it makes him more strong.
Stronger.
Stronger,
because
yes.
Now we will teach the government
Yes.
when they are wrong, we get them to the right side.
Yes.
As Mahilas, we can do that right now.
Yes.